We're really pleased to host the Policing Minister on her visit here to Wales to show her firsthand some fantastic investment that South Wales Police has made, where we are leading the way for UK policing and the use of some really innovative technology. Facial recognition is having a massive impact here to keeping the communities of South Wales safer. It's not just allowing us to pick up those criminals who are posing the greatest threat to the community, but also importantly allows us to locate some of the most vulnerable people in our community, such as high-risk missing people. It's all part of a toolkit of capabilities that we've got here in South Wales that allows us to keep the community safe, and it's now been adopted by other forces in the UK based on the really good work that we've done. We are leading the way in drone capability, for example, as well, which is what we're demonstrating today as well. But also our territorial support, who are specialist officers who have only just this morning come fresh off a warrant would have arrested a high-risk offender. So it just allows us to showcase to the Policing Minister the broad range of policing capability that we're able to bring to keep the community safe. We're also showing her firsthand the work that the policing team here in Cardiff Bay have been doing under the Clear Hole Build initiative. This is a partnership operation that we're running, but the police part of that has seen over 500 people arrested for a variety of offences such as knife carrying and drug dealing in our communities.